Welcome back to another vlog. Hey, so come and vlog with a mother of four, guys. Listen, it's Martin Luther King Day. Wait a minute, what the hell the day is? Hold on. They're having Martin Luther King parade today. I just dropped my daughter off so that they can go. And today, listen, I'm gonna be doing a vision board. So today is gonna be a vision board day, okay? But listen, check this out. I'm excited. I don't know, I got extra excited as soon as I started recording, because this is like, is this really happening? I don't know what the happening, but it's really happening. Look, life is about to elevate. Let me say that again for the people in the back that didn't hear me. Life is about to elevate, and if you don't believe that, you know what? You better believe it. You better believe it.
Before I can head out, I need to clean up a couple of dishes and get some food going so the kids can eat, and I can make sure that they are okay when we get there, because they are going to be with me.
It's stuck. Oh, hell no. Let me try to put one there. Hell no. It worked. You see it? Yes, see it. It's just fennel and bilberry.
Not my feet.
Bilberry is a really good herb for your eyesight, and fennel seeds have digestive benefit as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Before leaving the house, I'm also going to prep some orders, because this process does take time, the way that I do it, you know, wrapping and then bubble wrapping and then taping. And so getting it started really helps the process and make it so much easier for me to just pack and go. But listen to this. I bust about 60 ounces of hair growth oil in the process of me extracting the properties from the herbs. The entire glass just bust. I cried. I literally cried because it broke my heart. But check this out, devil. You can't stop my show. What God has for me is for me. And I'm going to get it. I'm getting it, okay? I kept going. I continued on like it never happened. See, I realized that I have a better chance at winning from not sitting in my misery for too long and not complaining about everything that went wrong or is going wrong. I choose to put my mind on all my wins, you know?
It's time for the vision board party. I'm here parked. It's raining. Let's see what it's about.
The vibe is always amazing anytime I come up in here. This is my second event, and the first one was dope AF. A goal that I've always had on my vision board is hitting 100K here on YouTube. So if you've gotten this far into my video and you enjoy my content, then subscribe to the channel and help me grow. So everyone went up to grab all of the little cute letters and photos that they would like, you know, that resonate with them to put on their vision board. And these are some of the things that I got to do mine. I had an idiot tell me that life is not a fairy tale. If life isn't a fairy tale, then what do you call this? And I'm not saying that life isn't real. What I'm saying is you can put your life together and design the life that you want. There's so much power in your words and what you put on paper and what you speak and what you think of yourself, of your life. And I truly believe this because when I was just probably like between 16 and 18 years old, I was in my closet, yes, in my closet, writing down everything that I wanted and everything that I needed. And everything, when I look back, that I wrote on that paper, I have. And I had no idea what I was doing at the time. But as of today, I really protect my subconscious mind. There's no such thing as talking foolishness in my ear because I will not allow it. But anywho, here's what I ended up putting on my board. I did it in sections. There's health, home, love, travel, and consistency.